वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं. साऊथ आनी भलायकेन नातालाची तयारी आसा आनी चड करून आमचे कुंसवारान आमचे माजापान आसता, मिल्क क्रीम आसता आनी पेराद म्हणो नाकाय, दोदोल म्हणो नाकाय, बिबिंका म्हणो नाकाय, सगळें आसता. सो one of them is milk cream, and milk cream is made out of cashew nuts. So I am going to do a smaller quantity because we are not so fond of, again I will say, milk cream, but yes, it is one of the this what I have not made yet. So for that I have taken around 100 grams of cashew nuts, okay, and it's 120 rupees. So this is a smaller quantity for those people who just want to make a small batch for themselves. This is not like to just give it out. It's only for y'all. If you want to make more, then yes, more cashew nuts. Then you need some milk powder and powdered sugar. And then again you have to mix till it becomes hard, and then you have to mold it. So this is the first procedure. Soak this, and then we have to grind it to a fine paste. So I'm just soaking this. Once it is nicely soaked, then we have to grind it to a fine paste. Thank you. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. As the Christmas season is on, so let's make some sweets. Like sweet season it is, kuswar sweets. So today I'm going to show you all how to make milk cream, and for that we need 100 grams of cashew nut paste. That is half cup if you want to measure, but in cashew nuts it is 100 grams. So soak the cashew nuts and then grind it into a fine paste. Then you can add little water or you can add little milk. Then we need some thick milk, so 4 cups of that, and sugar is powdered sugar 2 cups, but I will prefer to use 1 cup, but depending on the sweetness. Okay, so let's start now. So take a pan. This is like a fudge, so you have to cook and till it leaves the sides, and you need butter also. Okay, so I will take first 1 cup of sugar. This is enough, but you all can put more. Then we need lot of sweets and every day till the Christmas. Then we add this 4 cups of milk. So 4 cups of milk. Then we add our cashew nut paste. And also we need 1 tablespoon of butter later. And then we'll add some vanilla essence, few drops. So mix this nicely so there is no lumps before it goes on the gas, and then we have to stir this continuously on a low flame till it becomes thick. Keep your butter ready also. So it's on gas, and let's cook this till it becomes thick. So thick, and cook this Sugar you can add according to your taste. And then you can mold it as how you want. So milk cream is always white because it is made of cashew nuts. Half teaspoon of, no sorry, 1/4 is enough, 1/4 teaspoon of salt also. So the milk is started becoming thick little. See, now it's becoming more thicker. So we have to cook this till it leaves the size of the pan. Now we'll add our butter to this. So when it becomes this thick, you add your butter. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of butter, a tablespoon of butter at this stage. So total 2 tablespoons of butter. See how it gets reduced and how it's becoming thick. It is same like our other, but this is a cashew nut, same like our parad. I mean to say the ingredients are different, but the process of this is same. If you keep high flame, it will burn and it will not become. If you leave some and go it somewhere else, then also not possible. You have to be continuously stirring. So now we have reached to this level. So it's coming nearer. So it's like half an hour's time. And still it is little more. Few minutes more. It is tasty, but yes, to make it you need patience. And now it is ready. So we'll remove this out now. It's ready. And then we'll let it get cool down. Grease some plate. And then you can put it in the molds and reshape them as you want. Okay, so this is done. So now we have to remove this in a plate. So now let it get cool. Then we can mold it in some design. This is how you put it in the mold. So these are the silicone molds. You get the different one also, the olden one also. So you just fill the molds and then you take it out. So any shape, whichever you want, you do it. So like this only you do all the others. Okay, hope you all will enjoy making milk cream. Try and make it and enjoy. And here is our milk cream ready to serve, and it's yummy and delicious. Try and make this recipe at home if you have time, and enjoy your Christmas and your loved one. Thank you.